right, guys, so I got some more Harbor Freight coupons for you. These are going to be the new coupons, new savings starting Monday, February 5th through Sunday, February 18th. So let's go ahead, jump right into see what they got. First up, category air tools and compressors. Looks like they got some accessory kits here, $7 for the 17-piece accessory kit. 6-gallon pancake compressor by McGraw, $100. Definitely seen that a lot cheaper before. Still got the 27-gallon Fortress for $349. Usual price for that. Now here's a little discount. They got the gravity-fed spray gun. I heard that this was really good, this Black Widow spray gun. Kind of want to try that one out. $149.99 for that. A couple more compressors over to the left here, Fortress and a McGraw. Go ahead and scroll down to the Automotive. We got some blade fuses here, 60-piece for $6. Not too bad. Got the Maddox body and fender set, 7-piece. Guys doing any body work, this might be something for you. $40 for that. Got some Daytona jack stands. These are 12-ton jack stands. $129.99. Definitely seen those cheaper also. Got the 3-ton low-profile jack, $119.99. Got some bungee cords, some straps, $11.99. Over here to the right, we got the Badlands 2,500-pound UTV winch, $70. Not too bad. And then as we get to the end here, we got some loading ramps, $70 for that. And then the Centec battery charger, $129.99. Got the solar panel, $100. Not too bad. Always good to have some of these on hand, especially if you've got a power station that you can plug these into. You guys got a power outage. You have renewable energy with just a few of these, and then a power station. Got the Predator, $349 for this one. This is the 420cc. Really nice engine. I threw one of these in a golf cart of mine a few years back, and I really liked it. Got some Pittsburgh Starbit socket sets, 9-piece for $6. Got some Allen keys for $7. Got the Pittsburgh Hammer, $12 for that one. Oh, these are pretty nice. The Quinn self-adjusting wire strippers for $18. Got the Icon 8-piece snap ring pliers for $50. Pittsburgh 14-piece wrench set for $35. And then here's that Pittsburgh 130-piece tool set with case. $30. Not too bad for just a simple tool set there. Got some lighting and specialties, twist ties, cable ties, I should say. Always a good pickup. Got tons of these in my toolbox. I actually own this too, this 50 lumen swivel LED focus headlamp. Not bad when you're in a pinch for $2. These magnetic hook sets are pretty nice. I'm probably going to pick some of these up. What else we got here? Got the Centec digital multimeter, $18. These lights are pretty cool. Really easy to install. Solar powered, 115 lumens, $10 for that. Got the Braun 175 lumen work light here for $5. Got some material handling and safety. I always pick up my gloves, my work gloves from Harbor Freight. They always seem to have the best deals for these Hardys. $4 for the cut resistant gloves here. They got the polyurethane coated work gloves for $229. Here's the 4-in-1 convertible hand truck for $175. These moving blankets are always nice too. $6.99 for that one. This is the 72-inch by 80-inch. Got the Bauer forced air propane heater for $90. Let's see what else we got. These titanium step beds are real good. I've used them a lot in the past. $13. Definitely seen these for cheaper also. Here's the Bauer short throw DA polisher and sander for $50. What else they got here? Trim router, $20 for the Drill Master. I've used a few of the Drill Master products. Definitely pretty decent if you're just doing a job here and there, project here and there, and you really don't plan on using the tool a lot. These are pretty cheap, but they're also cheaply made, so they won't last a whole long time. Here is the Bauer 10-amp rotary hammer, $90. Nice pickup there. Got the machete for $5. Got some drop cloths. The Quinn 4-piece scraper set for $9. Ultrasonic cleaner, $70. Then we go into some storage. Got the ammo can. These are nice. $10 for that. 17-inch tool tote, 19 pocket for $25. Here's the end locker by U.S. General, $300. And then the Yukon 46-inch. This is pretty nice. $300 for that one. Got some welding and machinery. These clamps over here, these nylon spring clamps, only for $1. I've used these in a lot of projects. Definitely not a bad pickup there. Let's see what they got. They do have the Pittsburgh 6-inch quick release bar clamp for $3. I need to pick up some of this solder for $3. Flux core by Chicago Electric 125 for $90. Bunch of welding wire here. Then they also got the titanium 125 for $129.99. Limited time coupons. I actually own these right here. I own like 3 sets of these I got strung in my backyard. These are really nice. And they do have these in the LED version and then also the incandescent version. These are $17.99. And these are the LEDs, so these are pretty nice. Not a bad deal. $18 for those. They got the solar rope light for $17, and then a super coupon over here, 20% off all Predator generators. Not a bad deal there. And that looks like it's all the coupons for right now. But hey guys, listen up. I posted a video, the parking lot sale that's going to be happening in March. I got the ad leak for it. Uploaded that video a while ago. I'll go ahead and link it at the end of this video right here. Go ahead and check that out. Those are going to be some of the best deals you're going to find on a lot of stuff at Harbor Freight. These are the parking lot sales. So if you can hold out, definitely wait for that parking lot sale. You won't regret it. Hopefully you guys found the video useful. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Until the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.